हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का वीडियो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि आज के इस वीडियो में मैं एक नया प्लेलिस्ट के बारे में बताने वाला हूं जो कि होगा ओप्स कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर। तो जैसा कि आपको ऑलरेडी पता होगा, ओप्स कॉन्सेप्ट इंटरव्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो ऑलमोस्ट सभी कंपनी के इंटरव्यू में ओप्स कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस पूछा जाता है। इस प्लेलिस्ट में मैं ओप्स का कॉन्सेप्ट काफ़ी डिटेल में पढ़ाने वाला हूँ। हम लोग थ्योरी भी पढ़ेंगे और उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी देखेंगे। तो ये प्लेलिस्ट काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है आपके प्लेसमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। तो अगर अभी तक आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर ले। अभी मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करके सारे टॉपिक्स दिखाने वाला हूँ, कौन कौन से टॉपिक हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं और कौन से लेक्चर्स में कौन कौन से टॉपिक कवर करेंगे। तो देखते हैं। So now look at the topics which we are going to study in this playlist. So these are the topics we will be covering inside this playlist. So the first topic is class and object. So this is very important. So class and objects are the fundamental of OOPS concept. So first lecture we will be studying about class and object, its and implementation in C++. The second lecture we will be doing about access modifier. So different type of access modifier in C++ like public, private and protected, and we'll be also looking at the friend class and friend function. So when to use friend class and friend function, and what is the benefit of choosing friend class and friend functions. In the third lecture, in the lecture 3, we'll be studying what constructor. So there are three types of constructor: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. So we will be looking at each of these topic in detail with the help of implementation, and we will also looking at the C++ code. So this will be very helpful in your low level design interviews, because in low level design interview you will have to write the code. So you must know about OOPS concept very well, then only you will be able to implement the code and write the different classes in your low level design interview. The next topic is inheritance. Inheritance is also very important topic. So in inheritance, we will be looking at the different types of inheritance like single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. So we will be looking at all these five types of inheritance in C++ with the help of code. So I will be writing the implementation of each and every topic. So you will be getting the implementation as well as theoretical concept. So next topic is polymorphism. So polymorphism is also one of the very important topic. So at lecture 5, we will be looking at the polymorphism, different types of polymorphism like compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So we will be understanding the difference between function overloading, operator overloading, and we will be also looking at the code and implementation, how it is implemented. So, and also we will be looking at virtual function and function overloading. This is also very important topic. So in interview there are multiple questions which can be asked from polymorphism. This is very important topic. Next we will be studying about encapsulation. So encapsulation is also very important. So in the lecture 6 we will be studying about encapsulation, and then in the lecture 7 we will be studying about data abstraction and why we use data abstraction and what is the benefit of data abstraction, and we will be also looking at the implementation. And in the lecture 8 we'll be looking at some important keywords. This is also very important topic because there are multiple keywords used in C++, so you must be familiar with it. So you must know about static keywords, this keyword, new keyword, const, final, and explicit keyword. So I will be telling about detail in this video. So we'll be understanding about different types of keyword in this playlist. So we'll be covering all these 8 topics in detail. So I hope this playlist will be very helpful to you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because this playlist is going to be very helpful. So I will be teaching with respect to LLD, low level design. So how you will be getting benefited in your low level design interview. With that point of view, I will be explaining each and every concept. If you watch all these tutorials and understand all these concepts very well, then you can easily crack your low level design interview. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and do subscribe to this channel to get the video of all the coming topics. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।